All right, I'm going to go over how to import the live preview data. So let's go ahead and get started. Um, the first thing when you install the theme, you'll notice you don't have any content. And so we're going to add in some content. So let's go to our dashboard and we're going to go under Tools and Import. And we're going to click on WordPress. And when you click on that, you'll need to install a plugin. So let's go ahead and click Install Now real quick. And activate and run. So once you activate and run, you'll need to browse your computer to look for the file. So let's browse, and this is the download from ThemeForce. We'll go under additional files and live preview files. Now there's three things to import, two sliders, but we'll import those at the end. And then the first thing we'll import is Frover import.xml. So let's go and open that, import it. Go ahead and read this message, and you can either create a new user or use an existing one. That one isn't as important up here. You can always change that later on. The important setting is import attachments. Make sure you check this. You will want to import attachments. Then click submit, and it really depends on your server speed, how long this takes. If it does fail, then check out our support forum for some tips on how to get it sorted out. If it does fail, it's usually an issue with just your server and how large of files you can import. All right, so once it's done, it will give you a message that'll say, all done, have fun. All right, I'm done importing. One thing to note is if you get these messages, it just means you didn't have WooCommerce installed, so it couldn't import those files. Nothing to worry about there. So we can just say, all done, have fun. But we're not quite finished. There's a couple quick steps we need to do. If we go under Appearance and Menus, we go to Manage Locations. And we need to set a couple menus. So the first one we're going to set is primary menu. We're going to set to main navigation, then footer with footer navigation. So we can save those. And we can view our home page. It's getting closer. We've got the menus up here all sorted out. Then the last things we need to do is set the home page. So under settings and reading, we're going to change front page displays to a static page. Front page, we're going to select home. Post page, we're going to select as latest news. So then save those changes and we'll refresh. All right, now we've got everything almost completed. The last thing we need to do is upload those sliders. So we can upload the sliders by going under Revolution Slider. Click Import Slider. We're going to browse for that, and again that's under additional files, live preview files, and we're going to import both of these. So you'll need to import them one at a time by choosing them and clicking import. Then you'll need to import the second one the same way, which is the shop slider. And then now when you visit your home page, it will have the slider. And same with your shop page, it will have the shop slider, and all of your content will have been imported. The image will be sample images, but everything else will have worked. And as far as any missing content will just be a widget, and you can visit the respective pages to figure out how to use those, the widget areas. So like the home page and up here in the top right. So the last thing to cover is these little blue buttons. If your buttons don't appear correctly, all you need to do is go into Revolution Slider, edit your slides, then edit the slide, and then usually clicking update will fix that issue on a slide-by-slide basis. So if you just select each slide real quick, update the slides, the button will no longer be that blue button. So that's how to import all the live preview data and get you up and running pretty darn quick.